So we are at the Lucasville school now. This one is right down the road from the Chapman cemetery that we just visited. And Emma Chapman, who is buried in that cemetery, I believe was instrumental in helping establish this school. She was once upon a time a enslaved person at a local farm in the area here, very close by. And of course, when the slaves were freed after the Civil War, they began getting involved in local commerce and other things like that, making lives for themselves, and this school was part of that. So we're going to take a look around the school, see what we see, and right there you can see 1885 to 1926 was the operational time of this school. Now this school is not on its original location. I understand it was about a half-mile away from here, probably closer to the cemetery that we were just at, most likely. And at some point a farmer took this and was using it as a shed, and it was rebuilt here in 2007 and opened for public viewing so we could see history. All right, let's take a look, see what we see here. The Lucasville School, and right along this main road here, there it is. I will also get some photographs of these signs here so you can read them. But that is Emma Chapman, and we just visited her grave just a few minutes ago. She was buried in 1944 right nearby. So I'll photograph those before I leave here. Doesn't look like there's any windows that we can look in. Everything seems boarded up, and I know that the school is closed. It's only open by appointment, and of course I don't have an appointment. But I did just want to come by and have a look at this place. I've driven by it many times and never actually stopped in. Yeah, windows are all boarded up. Can't see inside there. That is it for the one-room schoolhouse. I wish we could get inside, but perhaps at a later date I'll be able to get in there and maybe get some pictures of that. In the meantime, last shot here, I'll show you the sign at the back. The Lucasville School. Lucasville School is a reconstructed one-room schoolhouse dedicated to interpreting post-Civil War African American education in Prince William County. Now, I guess there's a couple of pictures of the inside. If I'm not mistaken, that's Mr. Bill Backus there in the green jacket, if I'm not mistaken, part of the Prince William Historic Preservation Group. That's it. Have a great day. Until the next video.